Hello from Expert Credit Sweep. So it is beautiful and sunny out today, so I figured that we would do a video outside. So I really just want to stress the importance of going with a company that's right for you the very first time, and I have an example for you. So I have a couple, husband and wife, both cops out of New York City, and they signed up at the exact same time, and 100% of their accounts are joint accounts. Okay, so we're talking about First Premier, Discover, Capital One. There's a mortgage account on there. There's repossession. There's a couple, inconsequential collections that nobody really gives a crap about and that are super easy to take off, so don't even talk about those. But and they also had a tax lien for $500,000. Okay, so $500,000 on the tax lien. Once again, $500,000 on the tax lien, guys. So anyways, they got their first rounds of results back last night. All right, the wife went to a company, two of them actually, one of the big ones, actually the biggest one, and then went to the same company under a different name, and then came to me. The husband, however, never, ever went to anybody. Okay, so when I did their progress reports, the husband had 25 out of 30 deletions on the first round. 25 out of 30 deletions on the first round, okay? 25. So First Premier was gone, the $500,000 tax lien was gone, Capital One was gone, Discover was gone, the repossession was gone, everything except for a couple of, not even accounts, but items were gone, all right? Now, however, the wife had only 3 deletions. Why? They're joint accounts. Wouldn't you figure that same company, same account, different name, whatever, I mean, it would be the same thing? 25 deletions on one file, 25 deletions on other? No, guys. And it's because she went to 2 companies prior to coming to me, okay? So the husband is basically done, but the wife has like 6 months to go, or even more than that, and it's because she went to the wrong people first, and they screwed up her accounts, okay? So it is so important that you go with the right company the first time. And you know what? Let's not even talk about my company, Expert Credit Sweeps. Let's talk about just in general, okay? So if you have negative items, you need to call around and ask very specific questions, which I've given you guys. I have given you the red flags, I've given you the questions to ask, and you need to figure it out and ask them and delve into it. And I mean, if they're not providing proof of services, then that means that they're just not doing the right thing. They're not doing the job, they don't know what they're doing, or they're just not doing it, okay? If they're not giving you payment security, it's because they don't give a crap if you charge back, because you can't charge back. I mean, did you Western Union it to them? Okay, so are they using templates? Don't use templates. Don't go with a company that uses templates. That's the reason that this lady got screwed, because they were using templates. So anyways, that is it. It is a beautiful day today. So I am going to go take my kids to the park. And that is it. I will see you guys next time.